Hey YouTube, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and viewing my videos. Thank you for your likes, thank you for your comments. I'm so grateful. And if you haven't subscribed yet, come on, kindly subscribe right now and turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video. Yeah. So anyways, this is a final video for my drawing, the previous drawing I posted. So this is part two, the final video. So yeah, just keep watching and let me know where you think I need to improve myself, my skills and all my drawing. You understand, right? And yeah, that's basically it. That's just what I. I mostly use my blending stump to highlight some shading first before I go in with my pencil, because it makes it easy in case I make any mistake. It makes it so easy for me to erase, because no one is perfect. I believe so. No matter how perfect a drawing is, no one is actually truly perfect, because we learn every single day, and some artists feel once you clean, once you erase some part of your drawings, like you make mistakes and all, which means you're not good enough for something. But anyways, no one is above mistake. Okay, so you can erase, but don't erase too much. Too much of it is actually what is not good. Okay, so make sure you erase slightly and not. Thank you so much, and if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video. So please kindly join my journey, and yeah, thank you for your support.